Hi, I'm Amy Snell, the Devious Knitter, and I'm going to show you how to insert waste yarn for an Afterthought heel. First of all, I'd like to suggest you choose a waste yarn that is smooth, smaller if possible than the diameter of the yarn you're working with, and not in a color that's going to contrast greatly with the yarn that your sock is in. Once you've got an appropriate waste yarn, you're going to work the stitches across the foot of your sock in that waste yarn just for one row. And that's going to look like this. Once I've finished knitting all the way across the sole of the foot, I'm going to slide these stitches back so that I can work them again on two circular needles. That means I'm just sliding the needle through. If you had a magic loop, you would actually slide those one at a time. And now I'm going to knit those stitches again with my regular yarn. Once I knit across the scrap yarn a second time, I'll be able to continue working my sock in the round, and I will have this line of scrap yarn to help me pick up the stitches when I go back later and knit the Afterthought heel, as we do in the Wanderly sock. If you'd like to know more about knitting tips and tricks, you can check my website, www.deviousknitter.com, or follow me on Instagram and YouTube as @deviousknitter. You can also check my website for upcoming classes on things like sock skills, or my Ravelry and Payhip stores for the Wanderly sock pattern.